Hi, I'm Jeff and I invented YOX, and we're going to talk about a few other ways that you can connect YOX links. One way is by using this nifty little guy called a chip. And if you connect it into the notch of one link, you can actually sneak another link in there and connect it so they run parallel to each other. So that's one way to make a unique YOX connection. Another thing that you can connect YOX to is pieces of paper or cardboard. So if you take a YOX link piece of paper and then sneak in this chip, it will lock into place, and then you can loop it around or whatever direction you want, and it will connect as well in there. That's another way that you can connect other stuff around your house to YOX. The last way, and this is pretty exciting, but before I start, I should say this. Lego is a registered trademark of Lego Systems AS Billund, Denmark. I love Lego. Lego inspired YOX. Please don't sue me. You can connect Lego pieces to YOX by taking this plate. This is a Lego plate, and connect it right in there. So then you can have your big YOX connection and connect it to a Lego connection right here. Like this little minifig guy. This little minifig guy can hang out right there. He's a very disturbing minifig guy. And there are a lot of other things that you can do with YOX and ways that you connect it to stuff around your house. You connect it to boxes, you can connect it to almost anything. I'm really curious what you're going to do and what kind of connection you're going to make with YOX. There's only one more thing that I have to ask. Have you ever been in a city made entirely of yogurt?
This is YOX.